Hello everyone. Today I am here with another video. Today I am going to show you 3 ways to fix frequently disconnecting Wi-Fi problems. Most of us has faced the issue that our Wi-Fi gets disconnected very frequently, and that's really irritating when we have important stuff to do. When this problem occurs, our laptop or PC does not show any available Wi-Fi network, even though we have Wi-Fi networks available. Switching off the Wi-Fi and then turning it on also does not seem to help. Even turning on the airplane mode does not fix this problem. The only way to temporarily fix this problem is to run the troubleshooter. But since it happens very frequently, running troubleshooter seems so irritating. There are some ways by which we can fix this problem. But this is not a permanent solution, since these fixes does not work on every devices. You can try your luck if these fixes work. Let's start. The first step you need to do is to open Device Manager. To open Device Manager, press Windows plus X key on your keyboard. Now select Device Manager. In Device Manager you need to go to Network Adapters. After opening Network Adapters, click on your wireless adapter. Here in my device it is powered by Qualcomm. Right-click on your adapter, and go to Properties section. In Properties section, you need to go to Power Management. Now you need to uncheck, Allow the computer to turn of this device to save power. After that, click on Apply. Repeat the same steps for other network adapters as well. Now right-click on Battery icon, and go to Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings. Now, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now, go to your wireless network adapter settings. Now select Maximum Performance, in both plugged in, as well as battery mode. Click on Apply Settings. Sometimes, your Wi-Fi will get disconnected when you close the lid of laptop, or when your laptop remains idle for long time. These things happen to save power on a battery-powered devices. These are few basic steps you need to do. In some cases, these steps will solve the problems related to Wi-Fi. There are some other reasons that can cause Wi-Fi problems. If you are using torrent, there may be possibility that your Wi-Fi will get disconnected very frequently. If your Wi-Fi is getting disconnected while using torrent, then the only way to solve it is stop using torrents. Don't worry, these are some fixes too. If you are using torrent, then try to use a wired connection such as LAN cable. Disable seeding for all your torrents. Make sure that you run your torrent downloader as an administrator. Go to your torrent downloader icon, right-click on it and go to Properties. Now go to Compatibility, and click on Run as Administrator and click on Apply. I will suggest you to not to use torrent. But still if needed, these steps will help you, so that your Wi-Fi will not get disconnected while downloading from torrent. You can also buy Game Pass from Microsoft Store, which costs just 50 rupees for 3 months. And 499 afterward, for PC, and give you a freedom to play hundreds of games. Microsoft adds new game to their Game Pass every month. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you and solve your issues.